Okay, so I've just vaxed the floor. You can see how far it's come to in this room. All of this is really wet. It's going right under there. And it's coming from this crack in the wall. You can actually see the water trickling through, and it stinks. So I think it's probably sewage, because it's really wet down there as well, and it's like black. So
we're in Hebden Bridge. Just doing a job on the hotel, that one there. So we're just down in this hot cellar today with the boilers, just relining the pipe. I've just got the patching in there. So we've got two toilets there that run through this wall into a manhole. It's all covered over with, there's a boiler in way and all sorts. Company that come out before me quoted £5,000 for this job. I've come in at less than £1,000 for two patches. Obviously got the job. First patch is in, we'll see how it goes. Perfect. So before that crack in the wall, when they flushed the toilets from the sinks upstairs, it was just all leaking out. You know, making a mess. So I'll line that pipe there. No leaks. The job done, fixed. Oh, for less than £1,000. And a lot better than £5,000 what the other company would have charged. I don't know how they get away with it, to be honest with you. But jobs are good, all done. Pack up and home time.